Woof woof! Hello, friends! It's me, Chubster the dog. Today, we are going to have so much fun learning about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away, and it helps us figure out how many are left. Don't worry, I'll be right here with you the whole time. Are you ready for some tail-wagging math fun? Let's go! Look. I have 5 cookies on this plate. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 cookies. But, oh no, I'm so hungry. I eat 2 cookies. Chomp, chomp. Now let's see. How many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3. That's right. 3 cookies left. So we can say 5 minus 2 equals 3. Here are 6 balloons. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 2 balloons float away, how many are still here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, 4 balloons. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. I have 8 bones. If I bury 3 in the backyard, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 bones are left. Subtraction is fun! Now, let's hop on the number line together. Start at number 8. Hop back 3 steps. 7, 6, 5. We landed on 5, so 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's try one more. Start at 7. We want to do 7 minus 4. Hop back 4 times. 6, 5, 4, 3. We landed on 3, so 7 minus 4 equals 3. Another way to subtract is to count backwards. Let's try 6 minus 2. Start at 6 and go backwards 2 numbers. 5, 4. That's it. The answer is 4. Here's a trickier one. 9 minus 5. Count backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We landed on 4, so 9 minus 5 equals 4. Look at these 7 stars. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I cross out 3 stars, how many are left shining? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 stars left. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now let's try with toys. I have 5 toy balls. If I roll away 2, how many are still here? 3 balls left. Subtraction is just like taking away pictures. Let's make subtraction part of a story. I had 7 bones. Then I gave 3 bones to my friend, Maria the cat. How many bones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, 4 bones. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. There were 9 ducks swimming in the pond, but then 4 ducks flew away. How many ducks are still in the water? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks are still swimming, so 9 minus 4 equals 5. 10 puppies were playing in the park. 5 puppies went home. How many puppies are still playing? That's right, 5 puppies are still playing. Subtraction can also show who has more. I have 6 dog toys, and you have 4 dog toys. Who has more? Me! But by how many? 6 minus 4 equals 2. That means I have 2 more toys than you. I have 9 bones, and my friend has 7 bones. Who has more bones? I do. And 9 minus 7 equals 2, so I have 2 more bones. Did you know subtraction and addition are best friends? They live in the same family. If 4 plus 3 equals 7, then 7 minus 3 equals 4, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. Families stick together, even in math. Okay, time for a quick subtraction game. I'll give you a problem, and you shout the answer as loud as you can. Ready? Here we go. 5 minus 2. That's right, 3. 9 minus 4. You got it, 5. 6 minus 3. Woof, yes, 3. 10 minus 7. Great job! It's 3 again. Wow, friends! We learned so many subtraction tricks today. We took away cookies and balloons, hopped on number lines, counted backwards, told subtraction stories, and even met math families. You are subtraction superstars. Subtracted, woof it up. Math is fun, we won't give up. Subtracted, woof it up. Math is fun with me, Chubster the pup. Thanks for learning with me today, friends. See you next time. Woof, woof. Goodbye.